Hello student, today I will tell you question number 8 from miscellaneous chapter. Second, let function f is a set having element 1, 1, 2, 3, 0, -1 and -1, -3 from z to z defined from integer to integer defined by fx equal to ax plus b for some integer a and b. Determine a and b. Since f1 equal to 1, I am using this one, f1 equal to 1, so a into 1 plus b equal to 1, a plus b equal to 1. f0 equal to -1, I have taken this pair, f0 equal to -1, a into 0 plus b equal to -1 and b equal to -1, right? Okay, putting this value of the b in equation number first, you will get a plus -1 equal to 1, a equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 2, right? Therefore, a equal to 2 and b equal to -1, right? We can take any two ordered pair, right? Now come to the question number 9. Set a and b, a function f given 1, 5, 2, 9, 3, 1, 4, 5, 2, 11, right? We have to check it whether this f is a relation or not. Since this f set f is the subset of a Cartesian b, therefore it is a relation. You can check also. Okay, from the diagram it is clarified that, right, the image of 2 have 9 and 11, that is 2 has two images which are 9 and 11, so it is not a function, it is simply a relation. Now come to the question number 10. Let f be a subset of z Cartesian z defined by f equal to a into b comma a plus b such that a comma b belong to z. Is f is a function from z to z? Justify your answer. Since fab equal to a plus b, fab equal to a plus b, we have given this fab equal to a plus b. Let us suppose I am taking a equal to 0, b equal to 1 belong to integer. Therefore, f0 into 1 equal to 0 plus 1 implies f0 equal to 1. Again, let a equal to 0, b equal to 2 belong to z. Therefore, f0 into 2 equal to 0 plus 2 equal to 2. f0 equal to 2. Right? Since 0 having two image 1 and 2, 1 and 2, therefore it is not a function. You can take any another example like it. Now come to the question number 11. Let a set a having element 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, f a function f a to b defined by fn, the highest prime factor of n, find the range of f. fa, okay, since f9 equal to 3, since 3 is the highest prime factor of 9, f10 equal to the highest prime factor of 10 is 5, f11 equal to highest prime factor of 11 is 11, f12 equal to highest prime factor of 12 is 3, f13 equal to highest prime factor of 13 is 13. 9 equal to 3 into 3 into 1, highest prime factor of 9 is 3. 10 equal to 5 into 2 into 1, highest prime factor of the 10 is 5. 11 equal to 11 into 1, highest prime factor of 11 is 11. 12 equal to 3 into 2 into 2, highest prime factor of 12 is 3. And 13 equal to 13 into 1, highest prime factor of 13 is 13. Okay. Therefore, range of f equal to 3, 5, 11, 13. Thank you very much. In my next lecture, I will tell you some illustrative example based on the same chapter. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead.